Chu. I am 35 years old from Philippines. I am married. I have one son. My highest education attainment high school graduate. My experience are baby care. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 8 years with 4 employers. Currently, I serve couple and baby. My duties are taking care of the baby, cooking Chinese food, doing all household work like cleaning, laundry, ironing, and marketing. I am willing also to take care of pets. To my future employer, mom and sir, please choose me as your housemate because I am hardworking, honest, fast learner, and willing to learn. I promise to be a good housemate and promise to prioritize my job and finish my contract or more. Thank you, mom and sir, and looking forward to work with you.